Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the new and improved 2025 Bronco Sport Outer Banks. Coming in this nice desert sand coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Outer Banks Tech Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, you got a backup camera, you do get a nice lift glass as well, which allows you to have better access to your cargo, or you can leave it in if you have more cargo that needs to come out. Totally up to you. We do get roof rails as well, some black fenders. We do get side view cameras and blind spot detection. And moving to the front real quick, we do have front park sensing, front view camera, and that nice Bronco grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see we do have plenty of cargo space. You do get little cargo nooks in this one. 12-volt outlet, little hooks and doodads. You can put a cargo mat here to protect your seats. And we do get, let me just get this out, plenty of more storage with your spare tire, which is pretty nice, and a tire pressure monitor right there, which is pretty nice. And you can collapse that row if need be. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We got these nice new looking seats that are also rose. You got the black leathering, cloth, and brown leathering as well. You can lift this down for cup holders and arm space. Got rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and a carpeted interior with tons of door space with the leathering on the door. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do get powered seats with the same leather and cloth interior, but we do get these nice Bronco logos on the front seat. Plenty of more door space up front with B&O Sound System, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, liftgate and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here we do have a new instrument cluster, which adds a nice sleeker look to the vehicle. We have 22.5 kilometers, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle for your screen. We have voice, phone media, the nice Bronco logo, volume, mute, and cruise control. Now looking at our main screen here, let me go back. We have My View, Trip and View, your Bronco information, which is new, such as seatbelts, off-road, tire pressure, all that jazz, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we do have that rotary gear select. We have our parking brake, auto hold, goat modes, which do include, we even have new styles for the modes, such as your normal, slippery, eco, sport, and off-road. Continue our look over here. Cup holders, the nice leather wrap center console with tons of storage. You even get a nice new storage tray down there with a 12-volt storage, USB and USB-C with a 12-volt there. Wireless charging pad. You got this nice new center to the vehicle, your engine start, auto stop, auto start, max temp, hazards, traction, park assist, and your 360 camera. You also get your volume down here. You got your vents, this nice brown accent to the dash. You got storage cubby up here with the nice little accessory logo if you need to put something here. 2 USB-Cs, storage in the glove compartment. We do get a garage door transmitter and a nice 13.2-inch touchscreen, similar to the one in the ST line, which is pretty nice. So the Ford Escape. You got all your climate controls at the bottom, your heated seats, dual climate, navigation, audio, phone, and your settings. You do get a Wi-Fi hotspot as well. There's what your settings look like. I'm gonna go back real quick. You got your features of the vehicle, assistant, towing, owner's manual, all the usual. And any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RE03848, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.